All right, let's talk about just a review of the steps to factor. And you should always start by removing any common factors. Okay, so if you had something like this, and you're looking to factor it, and the first thing you should do is look to see, are there any common factors you can remove? Well, what common factor goes into both of these terms? You can take out a 5, leaving an x squared, and a 5 goes into 8 one time with 3 remaining. 5 goes into 36 times. So there's the first step. Always look to remove any common factors first. Once you remove common factors, what you then want to do is check for any special factor forms. Okay, so the special factor forms that we've talked about here would be difference of squares, or perfect square trinomial. Okay, so apply that if that's the case. Are both x squared and 16 both perfect squares? Yeah, it fits the form of this difference of squares. So first terms are x. The second term is the base that's being squared to give you 16, which is 4. And then it's just the sum and difference of those. If you're looking for perfect square trinomials, again, that has an expression with binomial factors. I'll talk about that here in just a second. All right, once you exhaust any special factor forms, what you can then look to do is just use your normal factor rules. And really the factor rules are trial and error. And so trial and error works well for the following types. It works well for leading coefficient of 1. It works well for leading coefficients and constants that are prime numbers. And then the alternate method is the rewrite the middle term. And this is useful when the leading coefficient and constants are not prime numbers. And so that's kind of the steps that you should take or approach when you're looking to factor.